Welcome back, drinks fans. I'm Steve the Barman, and I try to give you drinks and cocktail inspiration around some of your favourite brands to help you make better cocktails at home. I love giving you inspiration. In today's video, this is the third video in the chocolate series, and I'm going to be giving you 3 chocolate martinis for you to make nice and easy chocolate martinis. As I say, the previous 2 videos with Mozart have featured their dark chocolate, which is more of like a cacao liqueur. I've featured their white chocolate and vanilla, which is absolutely lovely, and then the third and final one for now is featuring their milk chocolate cream liqueur. So let's dive straight into it. As always, the recipes will be below in the description, and again, if you like me, if you like my videos, if you like my content, give me a massive thumbs up. That'll really help me grow this channel, reach more people. So let's dive in. As well, bit of housekeeping, don't forget there'll be chapters along the bottom as well, so you can scrub to your favourite cocktail, whichever cocktail you want to make. You don't have to watch the whole thing if you don't want to, but of course you can listen to me waffle on, can't you? So cocktail number 1, we're going for a nice and easy mint choc-tini. How does that sound? We'll call it that. I'm terrible at naming names. So it's kind of a mint chocolate martini, if you like. No, nothing complicated in here at all. In any of these 3, they're just a bit of fun, great drinks. So the first ingredient we're going to go for is quite simply some vodka. I'm just going to go for some plain vodka. Now, you could flavour this up if you wanted to, but I'm just going to go plain. I'm going to rock out this measure today. Just quite feel like using this jigger. So I'm going 50ml, double bubble of just some decent plain vodka in there. So that's your first ingredient. I say this is very, very simple, this one. Nice 3 ingredient cocktail. Let's go for the second one. I'm going to use 25ml of this lovely chocolate cream liqueur. Not quite as thick as the Bouvray, but still lovely. Here we go, 25ml, lovely and luxurious. Look at that. Chocolate, get your calorie intake with these. And then I'm just going for some mint liqueur, which is actually right here. I use white creme de menthe. I don't like the green stuff because it makes your cocktails go all green, and that has to be saved for Midori, doesn't it? We don't want green mint cocktails. So for this, go as minty as you like. I actually quite like it, quite minty. So I'm going 25ml. You could ease it down to 15 if you want, but again, I'm going 25ml for that there. Now, I'm not going to add cream for this one. There's cream coming up in the other ones. Feel free if you want to add some cream in there, or you could use some of the Alpro milks or whatever you've got going on. But I'm just going to leave it at that, I think, and go for there. So I'm just going to ice this down. There we go. Ice just literally come out of the freezer, so it's properly frozen. And then we're just going to do a hard, fast shake, 10-12 seconds, and just combine those ingredients. Right, and when that's nicely chilled down, use that Hawthorne strainer, double strain it. Could have probably put this in a little Nick and Nora glass as well, but that'd be all right. That'd be all right. There we go. Right. Any more? Oh, it's about perfect. Look at that. Right, let's say nice and simple one. Chocolate martinis don't need to be any more technical, really. And I've got a little kind of after 8 here as well, left over from Christmas. So I wonder if I can, without breaking it in half. Oh, see, we failed. I was going to do a little, I don't know, might sit there. No, it's failed, isn't it? It's failed. Sod it. There we go. That'll do. There we go. And there's a bit in there as well. Right, chocolate and mint. What do I call it? Choc chip mint tini or something. Oh, mint, chocolate. Oh, that's really good. Love that. Right then, cocktail number 2. I'm going for kind of a flip on the mudslide, and I'm going for a mudslide martini. So similar ingredients, but just a bit of fun in it. So mudslide, going for ingredient number 1. Yeah, let's use that. Let's reuse that again. Right, 25ml of vanilla vodka. Here we go. Just a decent, vibrant vanilla vodka. I'm going 25ml of my chocolate liqueur. Go on. There we go. 25 ml of chocolate liqueur. Lovely. Right. And then we're going for some amaretto or disaronno, whatever. Gotta have a bit of amaretto in your mudslides, in you. Stuck on. Right. And 15 ml of disaronno. There we go. Ingredient number 4, I'm going for some coffee liqueur. And I'm not using any sugar in this, so I'm just going to balance out all the alcohol. I'm going for Kahlua instead of Mr. Black, because Kahlua is a bit sweeter than Mr. Black. So 15 ml of Kahlua. There we go. And then I'm just going for some cream. Here we go. I've got a single cream. I kind of really wanted sort of whipping cream or double cream for this, but I've just got single cream here. 25 ml. 25 ml. There we go. Right. Pop that. So again, just going to ice this up. Give it a good old shake down. Remember to smash that like button if you love these recipes and cocktails. Right. Hard, fast shake. 10, 12 seconds. Right. And funny story during that, I hit my elbow on there, sent all that fly, didn't. So, we're back. Flipping out as well, flipping out. Right. Let's just put that to one side. We're gonna double strain this into our lovely little coupe glass. Get in there. There we go. Could have gone slightly smaller, Nick and Nora glass maybe if you wanted to, but I think that should be all right once that's all come out. Yeah, that'll be all right. Look at that. Now, the whole reason I wanted double cream for this, or whipping cream, was because I was going to do. Do you remember when they used to have mudslides? I don't know whether that goose translates in America or Canada or that. I'm sure it must do, because we probably stole it from the US, TGIs, I should think. Mudslides, you had chocolate sauce around the inside of the glass. Well, I was toying. Oh, come on, out you come. Bit for me later. I was toying with doing that in a little martini glass, kind of have little swells, and I thought, no, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to have some little. I've still got this left over from Halloween, I think. I was just going to do some this on top instead. But if I had double cream or whipped cream, that would have been thicker and would have floated on top. I'm not sure this will. Oh, it will. There we go. There we go. Bit of chocolate vermicelli, I think that's called. And there we go. We've got kind of mudslide. If you want, Mudslide Martini. Oh, chocolate, coffee, amaretto, vanilla. Oh, that's really good. Really, really like that. Right, let's get on to the third one. The third one I'm going to do is kind of chocolate and strawberry martini. Again, very, very simple. Should we use this up? What was that? That was that one. Pop that in there. Right, let's keep that. Oh, it's got a bit of mint now. We don't want. We'll go fresh. I was going to try and save washing up. Right, again, let's go with this ingredient first. 25 ml of your chocolate liqueur. Oh, this is really good. Go on. 25 ml of that. Then I'm gonna go pop that there. Spiced rum. I'm gonna do Dead Man's Fingers. I've got another bottle of DMF in here, so I'm going 25 ml. Just a decent spiced rum. You know, it's not a fancy spiced rum, but it just works really well and lovely sort of vanilla notes in there. So 25 ml of spiced rum in there. Now I want my strawberry liqueur. I think this might be the first time. I'm not sure. I must have rocked this out before. It's a bit gone. I can't remember what cocktail I did this in. But this is my sort of new strawberry kind of liqueur. It's got little strawberries in there as well. This is so good, so good. I'm on a quest to find the ultimate strawberry liqueur. So for this, I'm going, again, you could whack it up a bit, but I'm going 15 ml of strawberry, complete with strawberries. There we go. Got little strawberries in there. Bit for luck. There we go. Right. And then I'm just going for some cream as well. Again. And again, 25 ml. I'm going for a slightly smaller martini glass this time. I'm going for a Nick and Nora. So 25 ml for this. So again, ice this up. Don't forget, all the recipes are below in the description. Let's get another glass. Right, there we go. Right, hard and fast. Get the strawberry muddled in. Right, hard and fast shake, 10-12 seconds. Right, there we go. God, there's loads of little strawberries in there now. Right, Nick and Nora glass. That one, there we go. I didn't hit my elbow that time, I tell you. Right in the old funny bone that was. Right, I swore as well. Lovely. Double. Get it out. Oh, chocolate and strawberries. Match made in heaven, isn't it? Chocolate and mint, chocolate and strawberry. You could have done chocolate and orange. So many things you can do with this. Right, double strain. Onto here. There we go. Perfecto. Right, and then the garnish for this, obviously you could do a strawberry, but I've replenished and I've got some blitzed up, freeze-dried strawberries here. So I just want my little bar spoon. Don't know if you can see that down there. You see that on the old close-up? Blitzed up, freeze-dried strawberries. Oh, it's good. And just a little bit of strawberry dust on top. Oh, it's good. Right, cover that over. And there we go. That is my chocolate and strawberry martini. Oh, I don't know which one. I think, do you know what, all three of those would be guilty pleasures. I think possibly the Mudslide Martini first. Ever so slightly. Probably because that's the boozier one out of the three. Oh, but that's really good. Really good. You could have put some foamers in that to have a nice sort of white froth on top. I might do that for the photo actually. I might shake that up, reshake that up with a bit of foamers just for a photo, just to see what that's like. But there we go. Hope you enjoyed that video. As always, give me a big like if you loved the video. If you want to see more of our future content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the very next video.